Mpenzi leo naenda safari, safari ndani ya mbali. Ukiwaza kuni miss my dog, tabasam kidogo. And every stage and every song I play, every fan that will scream my name, I will always be with you in my heart. I will miss you forever. My days are long, wali mina kupenda. My nights so cold, wali mina kutaka. I miss your touch, wali nina kupenda. I miss your love. I'm coming home. Hey, what's up? My name is Robin. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Coming Home, Sauti Sol. This is also a request, and I also have prepared a chord sheet. I don't know if you can see, though I'm gonna avail it. So if you're interested with the chords, I will put a link at the description area so that you can download it. Well, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know at the comment area. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of D, though the bridge, they play the bridge in key C, so there's a transposition that happens in the bridge, but the better part of this song is in the key of D. So I'm going to chunk this tutorial into 4 parts, where I will discuss the intro, then the verse, then I will show you how to play the chorus, and then I will also talk about the chords that are in the bridge, which is in the key of C. So we'll start off with the intro. So the intro progression is key in the key of D. The progression is 1, then 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, and then there's that beat where they're playing A, B minor, and D, which is 1, 6, and 1. I mean, this is sorry, this is a 4, this 4, 6, I mean 5, 6, and 1. So the one is a D chord. So the D chord, I'm using my middle finger, and my middle finger on the first string, 2nd fret, my pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and my ring finger on this is the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. So that's D major chord, followed by A chord. So the A chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar across the 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th string on the 2nd fret. So you can either hold it as so, or you can also use your pointer, middle, and ring finger to hold those strings. And then the chord that follows is the B minor chord. So B minor chord, I am barring with my pointer finger, barring across 2nd fret on string, across string 1 to 5 with my pointer finger, then my middle finger on string number 3 on the 3rd fret, oh sorry, string number 2 on the 3rd fret, and then my ring finger on string number 4 on the 4th fret, my small finger string number 3 on the 4th fret. So this is a B minor chord. The chord that okay, then you'll play the 1 again, which is A, and then you play G chord. So G chord, which is the 4th, the 4 chord in the key of D. I am using my ring finger on string number 6, 3rd fret, then my middle finger on string number 5, 2nd fret, and then my small finger on string number 1, 3rd fret. So that's G chord. And then the 3 chord is a F sharp minor chord. So for the F sharp minor chord, I am you know, barring the second fret with my pointer finger, barring across from string 1 to 6, and then with my ring finger on string number 5, 4th fret, and small finger string number 4, 4th fret, small finger. Yep. So that's F sharp minor chord. So this F sharp, then back to G again, and then there's that run, which is A, B minor, and D chord. So when the song starts, you know, you hear that kind of picking happening. So on that intro beat, there's kind of picking pattern going on. So I'm gonna show you a simple picking pattern that you can use to play, you know, this progression. So I'll be using my thumb, my pointer finger, and my middle finger. So on the D chord, I'm using my thumb on string number, this is string number 4, and then my middle finger on plucking string number 1 or picking string number 1, and my pointer finger picking string number 2. So you can play like the thumb, middle, pointer, which is string 4, 1, and 2, and then the A chord, so on the A chord, thumb on string number 5, then my middle finger picks string number 2, and my pointer finger will pick string number 3, and then the thumb again will play string number 5, and then you will play the B minor chord. So the B minor chord, I am using my thumb to pluck or to pick string number 5, and then my middle finger to pick string number 2, and my pointer finger to pick string number 3, and then the thumb again, and then play the A again, and then G. So G, I am playing with my thumb now. Instead of playing string number 5, I'm picking string number 6, and then my middle finger picks string number 2, and my pointer finger picks string number 3, and then you play the F sharp. So the picking pattern is kind of the same. So on F sharp, my thumb plays string number 6, and then my middle finger will play or pick string number 4, and my pointer finger picking string number 5, and then again with you just pick the string number 6 again, and then you play the 5, and then so that beat, I am just picking or plucking the strings. All I'm using my thumb, pointer, and my middle finger to pluck all those strings, to pluck string number 5 with the thumb, string number 3 with my pointer finger, and string number 2 with my middle finger. So that's how you play, the intro using those picking. You don't have to use the picking, but if you can also use a strumming. You can also strum the intro. So the intro and the verse progression share the same. I mean, the intro and the verse share the same progression, but now instead of picking, I was playing like I was strumming in the the verse section. So I'm strumming, but the progression is the same. So the strumming pattern that I'm using down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, 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 up, down. And then for that run, just just hit 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's how you play the the verse. Now on the chorus, the progression changes. So the chorus, the progression is 5, 6. I mean 5, 1, 4, 6. This is how this chorus sounds. My days are long, kwa nini nakupenda, my nights so na 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 na. So I'm playing A, D, G, and B minor chord, and still maintaining the same strumming pattern. So that's how you play the chorus, and then the bridge part where the key transposes down to C. So the progression there would be 1, 4, 5, then 4 again. Popote ulipo na 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 na. So that part, I really don't know that part quite well, so I'm not gonna sing, but the progression is C, F, G, and then F again. So the C chord, my pointer finger on string number 2, first fret, my middle finger on string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger on string number 5 on the third fret. So that's C chord. And then the chord that follows is F chord. So the F chord, I am barring string number 1 and 2 with my pointer finger, and then string number 3 with my middle finger on the second fret, and string number 4 on the third fret, string number 4 on the third fret with my ring finger. So that's F, and then you just slide that chord as is 2 frets above, 1, 2. So you'll hold a G chord. So that will be your now pointer finger barring string 1 and 2 on the third fret, and then your middle finger on string number 3, fret 4, and your ring finger now would be on string number 4 on the 5th fret. So this is a G chord. It's another form of G chord, and then back to the F chord. So maybe on the picking pattern, so I am using my thumb to pluck or to pick string number 5 and 4, string number 5 and 4, and then my middle finger string number 2, and my pointer finger string number 3, and then again my thumb will pluck string number 4, and then now on chord F, my thumb plays string number 4 and 3, and then my middle finger string number 1, my pointer finger string number 2, and then again with my thumb string number 3. Maintain that pattern on when you're playing the F chord, the G chord. So thumb on string number 4 and 3, and then string number 1 and 2 with middle finger and pointer finger, and then again with your thumb string number 3. Popote ulipo mina kuwaza mama. Now you